Namaste friends. Hope you all are alright by the grace of Almighty. Today we'll talk about the nutrition problem in children and aged peoples, which means difficult or abnormal urination. Common symptoms which you can find out: frequent urination, pain or burning while passing urine, bedwetting, nocturnal enuresis, difficult starting urine, crying during urination. It generally happens in children. The common causes are urinary tract infection, poor hygiene, worm infestation, fear or emotional stress, excess cold exposure. These are the common causes. Now you just see what are the red line symptoms, signs. Fever with urinary pain, blood in urine, swelling of face or feet, severe abdominal pain. Homeopathy approaches very nicely. Homeopathy treats the child consciously, not the disease. And there is no any side effect of these all the medicines. Some commonly indicated remedies only after proper case taking can be given. The top ranked remedy is cantharis. Severe burning before, during and after urination. Before, during and after urination, this is the symptom of cantharis. Now you come to the next medicine, that is the equisetum. It's a great remedy. Frequent urging with pain. Frequent urging with pain and the child cries or the adults cannot cry but he feels very much pain. Pulsatilla. Pulsatilla is a medicine which works on mild VP child. Mild VP child. Just listen carefully. Pulsatilla is a remedy which works on a mild VP child with urinary complaints. Now come to the next medicine, that is the causticum. Bedwetting, especially in cold weather. In cold weather, if there is a bedwetting, then the medicine will be causticum. So friends, these videos are meant for only awareness, not for the treatment. That's why I like to request you that whenever your child is having such problems, better consult homeopathic physician nearby. Always consult a qualified homeopathic physician for proper diagnosis and individualized treatment. Never treat yourself. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.